Mandal, Additional Deputy Director General. We have Dr. Mandal with us.
Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, everybody, and thank you, the SCOTS team, for, selecting our ICT application Nixoy into the last 4. And I just want to share a few words regarding that our ICT application. You know, it's apart from the being a ICT application, so we have that mobile app also. And we are capturing the patient level data throughout the country, and it's a national level app. And it's a comprehensive application. I mean, you can find everything in this app, starting from the diagnosis and treatment, and of course the adherence, and ultimately the outcome of the TB patients. Apart from other things, I want to let you know that any provider, the user, that altogether 4 lakhs user throughout the country are using this application. And even not apart from that, public healthcare provider, application we used by the private provider also. So it's a comprehensive one which can capture all every data of TB patients into the system. And every month we are capturing almost 2 lakhs patient level data. And also we are providing that nutrition support to the TB patients every 500 rupees every month during the course of treatment. So that's thing,
implementation of this project, and my congratulations to you. It's phenomenal. Do keep up the good work, and we would love to listen to your story even further. But given the positive time, we have to move on. Thank you very much, and congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Sunil C, who is an SHO inspector from Kumbu Police Department, a response to COVID-19. We have Mr. Sunil with us. Move to the next. K. Karthik, District Police Chief from Ernakulam Rural Police. Response to COVID-19.
So ഇത് നമുക്ക് DIG ഓഫീസിൽ
migrant facilitations in COVID-19 Pune City Police. I now invite Mr. Bachchan Singh, Deputy Commissioner of Police, Pune City Police, for the project External Monitoring and Tracking System.
हेलो, जय हिंद। आज हमारे डीसीपी सर बच्चन सिंह सर नहीं है, उनके पुणे सिटी की तरफ से उन्होंने मेरे को भेजा। मैं चौधरी पुणे सिटी, तो आपने जो हमें जो अवार्ड एक्स्ट्रा ट्रैकिंग का जो अवार्ड दिया है, उसके लिए हम आपका धन्यवाद कहते हैं। और हमें आगे और काम करने के लिए आपकी तरफ से प्रेरणा मिलेगी, इसलिए भी हम धन्यवाद करते हैं।
आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। Dr. Bhaskar Katamneni, Commissioner of Health, Medical and Family Welfare from Government of Andhra Pradesh, for COVID-19 digital handling. Dr. Bhaskar. I now invite Mr. Prasant P. Nair, Sub-Inspector from Kumili Service Police Station, a response to COVID-19. Mr. U. Abdul Karim, District Police Chief from Allapuram District Police, for response to COVID. Smith Parmar, Superintendent of Police from Mayurbhanj District Police, response to COVID-19. We have the gentleman with us. Ms. Sonika, Mission Director, National Health Mission Uttarakhand, monitoring and follow-up mechanism for health services among the population through 104 helpline. Mr. K.G. Simon, District Police Chief, Pathana Mathitta District Police, response to COVID.
Thank you very much. This is my privilege to attend this semi-final coach order of merit. I'm very thankful to you, and this is not only for me, for my unit, and this is for my department, police department, Kerala Police. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Mr. Siddharth Kaushal, Superintendent of Police from Prakasam District Police for Dasha Sutras COVID-19 mitigation plan.
Thank you. Thank you, Gursharanji. Thank you, Scotch. This is going to be a big motivation for us to do better. I thank the organizers and everyone concerned for this opportunity and this wonderful platform that has been created to recognize the good work and the hard work been put in by people from various walks of life. Thank you very much.
Congratulations once again. Dr. Ravindra Shish, once again, Joint Commissioner of Police from Pune, social policing in COVID-19 pandemic. Mr. R. Aditya, District Police Chief and Commissioner of Police from Thrissur, response to COVID-19.
Thank you, Scott, for selecting us for the semi-finals regarding the response to COVID-19. I am Santosh Kumar, Public Relations Officer of Thrissur City Police, and I am speaking on behalf of Sri Aditya sir. I am very proud to state that we have efficiently met and overcome the challenges during the COVID-19. We successfully prevented spreading of COVID-19 virus, and we have implemented the lockdown rules very successfully, prevented people stepping out from their homes and ensured the quarantine. We have managed the foreigners very well, and we have attended the migrant and guest base successfully. Also prevented the spreading of rumors, and last but not least, we have successfully prevented the crimes during the COVID-19 lockdown period. Thank you, Scott.
Excellent work done. Congratulations. Mr. Piyush Jain, co-founder and CEO of Impact Guru Technology Ventures, disrupting how healthcare and hospital bills are financed by helping patients fund their medical expenses.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks to Scott and all the members of the team. We have so far saved over 20,000 patient lives on our platform. Over the next 10 years, it is our mission to help at least 10 lakh patients get access to healthcare. We look forward to your continued support in our journey. Thank you once again.
Congratulations. Mr. Ashwin Amarapur, Chief Executive Officer from Ikenist Technologies Private Limited.
Thanks for the organizers for the award. It helps us to actually motivates us to do better. This is the solution where people from the rural and secondary cities can upload their X-ray scan of the chest and find out whether they have COVID-19 or not without going to any testing. It helps to accelerate to find out if a person is having COVID-19 and help them to get treatment.
Very good. Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
We want to invite Ms. Priya Anand, Director of Life Circle Health Services Private Limited.
Thank you so much. We are extremely grateful to Scotch for this acknowledgement. We will continue to work hard in reaching as many seniors as possible across the country with our services and providing a dignified livelihood to young girls from rural India as to work as geriatric caregivers. Thank you so much, and we are really grateful and honored to be awarded.
Congratulations. Mr. Hari Kishore S., Executive Director from Kudumbashree, response to COVID-19.
Thank you very much for the award. It's a pleasure and the recognition for the organization. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Mr. Rajesh Yadav, Chief Executive Officer, Aerobiosis Innovations Private Limited for Jeevan Light. Mr. Pankaj Sindhu, founder and CEO of VVP Healthcare Evolution Private Limited for Smart RX Kit.
Thank you, Scotch organization for giving us this opportunity to be part of the exciting awards. We continue to do some smart work. We have created a very unique product, which is a paper, which we give to the doctors, and whatever the doctors write on that piece of paper, it gets digitized. We are in a way digitizing the medical health records inside the clinic without forcing the doctor to move away from writing to typing. Thank you once again. We remain motivated for this. Thank you.
And congratulations. Dr. Surendra Bava, Hospital Administrator cum Deputy Medical Superintendent from Dr. Yashwant Singh Parmar Government Medical College and Hospital, Himachal Pradesh. Prateek Madhav, Chief Executive Officer from Assistech Foundation, enabling assistive technology startups to empower people with disabilities.
Well, thank you so much, Scotch, for the honor. We'll continue to enable people with disability. There are 1 billion of them in the world. There are 70 million of them in India. So we'll continue to use technology to create larger impact in their lives. But thank you so much.
Congratulations. Mr. Amol, Director, Thapatya Consultants India Private Limited, application for COVID-19 integrated management and data analysis software application for Amravati Municipal Corporation.
I mentioned very warm regards and thankfulness to all of you for selecting us. Basically, we are from Amravati and we have developed a big application for Municipal Corporation Amravati. Municipal Corporation Amravati was finding it very difficult to manage the COVID situations and the data application and its integrateness, and the further application to find its quarantine centers management and other daily problems like data collections and its integration for contact tracing and everything else. So the application find it very magically helping the corporation and its officials. So once again, we are very thankful for selecting us. It keep me motivated and along with my team too. Thank you to all of you again. Thank you.
Dr. Gajanan Devidas Takhare, founder of Bryota Technologies Private Limited for project Screening Assisted Virtually and Early for Early Intervention in COVID-19.
Thank you so much. I'm so glad that Scotch recognized efforts of a small but a dedicated team, a startup from Pune. I'm so glad that there are so many various giant departments of government which are getting recognized, and Scotch is also recognizing efforts from a startup like Bryota. So SAVE is a program which we implemented in 5 different cities for over 15,000 patients. And it included artificial intelligence for patient stratification, WhatsApp video calls with doctors and nurses, and also India's first home spirometer called Spiro Pro for remote health monitoring. Thank you so much, Scotch, for recognizing us. Thank you.
Congratulations for your work.
Thank you.
Mr. Gopi Ekambaram, designated partner from Throne Venture Technology LLP for project Your Safest Arm.
Hey, thanks everyone for recognizing this. Okay, sorry. Okay, thank you everyone for appreciation, and thanks to the panel for giving a proper recognition and for the innovative product which we designed to overcome the COVID situation. and also, aiding the people to getting used to the new normal. Thanks again. Thanks. It's a great motivation. Thank you.
Congratulations. I now invite Mr. Sameer Mehta, Director of Health Sensei India Private Limited, for response to COVID-19. Mehta with us.
Hi, I'm Priya. On behalf of Health Sensei, I would like to thank Scotch for providing this opportunity and platform to showcase our project. We are excited and honored to receive this Order of Merit on this program. This is a huge motivation for young startup like us and would help us to keep doing what we are doing now. Thank you.
Congratulations. Dr. Ratan G. Kelkar, State Mission Director from Kerala, Directorate of Health Services, COVID-19.
Women's Chinese-based brand partners, they are affordable.
Thank you, sir. I'm Dr. Vidya, Deputy Director, representing Department of Health and Family Welfare. And thank you, Scotch Group, for this opportunity and selecting COVID-19 Jagrata portal for this award. And this portal is conceptualized and designed by District Administration Kozhikode by engaging teams from National Informatics Center and Kerala State IT Mission. Thank you very much.
Congratulations, ma'am. Dr. Paresh Patel, Medical Director and General Surgeon from CGSM and RC Shraddha Hospital, Borsad. Amit George, Inspector from Adimali Police Station, response to COVID. Mr. Manoj Abraham, Additional Director General of Police from Kerala State. Inspirational or transformational performance during COVID-19. Mr. K. Lalji, Assistant Commissioner of Police from Kochi, response to COVID. And that brings us to the end of batch 2 of announcements of Scotch Order of Merit. As you can see, we are absolutely on time, and here we break for lunch. And when we return, we discuss learning from best practices at 2 o'clock onwards, and we will start with our batch 3 of our Order of Merit announcement. Ladies and gentlemen, we will see you in exactly 1 hour from now. Thank you.